we'll guide you through how to contact Namecheap support effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website on your desktop. Once you're there, look for the support option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the support center. Here, you have several options to get help. If you want to chat with a support representative, click on the live chat button, usually located at the bottom right of the page. This will open a chat window where you can type your queries and get immediate assistance. If your issue isn't urgent, you might prefer to submit a ticket. To do this, scroll down the support page and click on the Submit a Ticket link. You'll need to log in to your Namecheap account if you aren't already. Once logged in, choose the department that best fits your issue, such as billing, hosting, or domains. Fill out the required information in the form, providing as much detail as possible about your problem. This helps the support team understand and address your issue more efficiently. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email, and a support agent will get back to you via email. Remember, if you're looking for quick self-help, Namecheap's knowledge base and community forums can be great resources too. You can find articles and discussions that might already have the solution to your problem. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.